Hello everyone, today I will run WordCount.java document on Hadoop. First of all, we will open the terminal and run on command line. First of all, we need to change our Hadoop user. Type the password. Okay, now we will make a new folder in desktop called WordCount tutorial file. I will make a folder here. Desktop. WordCount, T-O-T-O-R. Yeah. And then we make a new document called WordCount.java. I have downloaded it from the internet, and then we make in the WordCount tutorial. We make a new folder called import data. Oh, sorry. I made the WordCount.java inside the WordCount tutorial. And then make a new folder called import data. In the import data, we make a new document called import. In this document, I will type some names so that we can use word count name. That's called import values. First of all, I will write my name and my team member's name. And I will also add other names and Apple. Okay, I think that's good. I typed 3 Yao and 2 Xi Ji Zhao and 1 Satish and 2 banana and 1 apple. Then I make a new tutorial folder. Tutorial class folder in the word count file. Now I run the command line here. First of all, I will export Java path to Hadoop. Sorry. Then echo Hadoop class path. Yeah, it works. And now we Hadoop fs make the direction word count tutorial. Unable. So I forgot to start Hadoop. Now I will start Hadoop first. Start dfs.sh. Then I need to start yarn.sh. These are the components of Hadoop. Then I check the GPS. Oh, all the GPS are open. Then I open the Firefox web browser to check the status of Hadoop. In this place, I will type localhost 50070, enter. Look, it works. And if I typed localhost 8088, and it will open into the Hadoop cluster, all the applications. Then I go back to the terminal and do this again. Look, it worked. And then I type import. Look, it works again. And now we come back to the Firefox browser. Select Utilities, browse the file system, and select word count tutorial and import. No data available in table. But now we go back to terminal and open the file and open the type Hadoop fs and port the import data values inside here. Look, all the import values directory has come here, and then we type enter. Let's do it again. Sorry, after that we also need to give him where the location, so we will write word count tutorial and input. Then it works. Now we will go back, cd home. Here this SUYZXY, the username, and desktop word count tutorial. Now we need to do Java C minus class path dollar Hadoop class path date. Drag your tutorial class here, and then drag your WordCount.java here. Now run it. One error cause permission denied. We also need to give them permission. Let's go back to the desk. And right click, select properties and the permissions. All the users need to create and delete files permissions. Change and close. And then we do that again. Cool, it works. Of course, if the permission denied, sometimes you need to write a command line to change your permission rights, or sometimes you need to right click, select the property. That is important in the Hadoop installation. Then we type jar cvf first tutorial classes slash sorry. Yes, we have added. And then we need to type Hadoop jar, drag your tutorial class here. Sorry, we need to add not tutorial class, but first tutorial class here. Then type word count and word count tutorial import and word count tutorial output. Here should have a blank, and I leave a blank here and then type enter. Sometimes when you type the wrong things, it also makes problems. Let's do for the third time. Check it again. Space and drag your first tutorial jar here and type word count and type your import directory slash word count tutorial slash import word count tutorial output. Now it runs for the count for as a Mapreduce the structure. We need to wait a bit moment. Look, when you go back and find job 0001 complete successfully, it means you run for the succeed. And then we type Hadoop dfs cat count tutorial output slash and here look, the apple got 1, banana got 2, and Gu got 3, Satish got 1, Xiji got 2, Yao-Chu got 3, Xiji got Zhao got 2. Because in the table, in the import values, I use a space between Yao-Chu and Gu, Xiji and Zhao. So as for the Hadoop word count Java application, if you enter space or you enter it means he consider the application consider you have a new word, you have typed a new word. So these are the word count. Each word has a count number in the end. That's a word count Java on the Hadoop. Thanks everyone. My name is Yao-Chu and my team member is Xiji Zhao and Satish. Thanks so much.